What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Lambo 14, and I'm back with another video. And yeah, you can see a little bit of a change. The camera is a little bit higher because I finally bought myself a phone tripod. Took me a while to find one, but I finally found one off of Wish, a cheapskate website. Basically, I bought it for like $5 or $4, I think. Yeah, $4.70. Pretty, pretty, pretty good. This is a really good tripod. So now that I bought myself a tripod, I can record my videos, and y'all can see my face a little bit higher instead of just like my phone being all the way down here. Because usually I just pop my phone up on the wall, and yeah. But anyway, in today's video, I found, well, actually, my mom found a pretty good figure that I really wanted for a good bit. Then I never gotten this figure before in my whole entire life when I've been collecting. But it ain't other than Alexa Bliss. Yes, the goddess herself. The goddess herself. This is my very first figure of her. I thought I was never going to get a figure of her. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Sorry, I'm hearing a lot of voices. Like, I'm always hearing things. I'm always hearing things. I'm always I always think that someone's calling my name, and it just confuses me a lot, and it's really creepy. You know, if you ever have that moment, just let me know. If you ever I think I'm the only one that always has that moment, and it's like creepy. And like before, keeping the box, of course. Wow, this figure is pretty short. I'm sorry, but this figure looks pretty cool though, I ain't gonna lie. This is Elite Series 82. So the box itself is pretty good. Oh god, I'm scared for this part. Just one hand out. Oh my god, I always. Dang. There it goes. Got the figure out. And of course, it comes with the women's tag team championship. Put it up to the camera. Y'all can't really read it, but like it's pretty cool. Only you need like 2 figures of her to get like both titles, but only found one of those figures. So yeah, sorry. It's kind of stupid how Mattel only puts in one of the belts in one figure. Like, just put in both belts like they did. Like, there was this one figure back in, it was like way before I started collecting. There was this Daniel Bryan figure back when Team Hell No was around. Daniel Bryan. It was like, I forgot what series it was. I think it was like series 12, I believe. I don't really remember, but it was like a Daniel Bryan. It was like a Daniel Bryan elite. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I keep hearing those voices. But yeah, it was like a Daniel Bryan elite, and it came with literally both of the tag titles, like no cap. But I doubt it's going on for a really good price. Well, not really good price, but like a really expensive price on eBay. But eBay be tweaking though. Like you trying to pay $100, like almost $1,000 for a figure. Like, dude. So, sorry. So I seen this like person trying to sell like a elite 2-pack of the new Triple H and Jeff Hardy 2-pack. You can get that at Ringside Collectibles for like $100, when you can literally buy it on Ringside for like $55. Because it's a 2-pack and it's 2 elites. So what do you expect? Double the price. No. Alright, I got the figure out of the box. Get the figure out of the box. So, what was it? Trying to get her knee pads up. Okay, bingo. Alright, there. So look, here's the figure. I don't know why the legs always come like that. Like, it's so stupid, kind of. Yeah, this is the figure right here. Pretty cool figure. Got the pink hair in the back. Don't really come with that many accessories. Stand her up pretty quick. There it goes. Don't really come with that many accessories. It only comes with two interchangeable hands, and like I showed y'all before, the tag titles. But yeah, not really that much for the video. Haven't uploaded in a while. Or maybe I did. I forgot. I haven't really checked my channel lately. But I'm gonna be doing a little challenge for myself. Like, y'all always see me get like an afro and all that, and I haven't had a buzz cut in like a pretty good bit. So like, if I reach 100 subscribers, I will probably, maybe, I'm not 100% confirming, I will probably get a buzz cut. But it depends. If you get me to 100 subscribers, I will do it. No cap. Man, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.